Oh, hello. Welcome to box number 4.
Alright, so
I'm going to drive them down the street.
introduction. Okay. We've got now. Okay, so we checked the book prices on some of the cards. Jeff's Cam Neely's books at 40. My Malkin books at 125. Eric's books at, what was it? 25
bucks.
So
Pretty crap.
you could ask for a replacement, possibly. You just ask for a replacement, and then. Okay, so we got a hit. Oh, first 2 packs, 2 hits. We have a Robert Ashe winning materials.
And
so that's for me, orange.
We have an Olli Jokinen winning materials.
That goes to me as well.
Yellow. Pretty close there.
So that's pretty good right there. 2 hits, 2 first packs.
First 2 packs.
And all base and a decoy. Oh, that was scratchy.
Yeah. We have Brendan Shanahan, number to 999. SP Excitement. That goes at the
All base. 1 for 12.
Wow.
I thought it was Malkin.
We have Noah Welsh, dual jersey, black and gold, autograph, number to 1,299.
And that's the rookie version.
That's the version.
Okay, and I got all base in my last pack. So here we go. All base again. Would you like to write the backs more? All base again.
Gordie Howe base. That's it. Just base. All base.
Mexican base. We have a Owen Noland SP Excitement.
Owen Noland.
999. Don't matter how you say, okay? I'm this one.
Then we have Jonathan Chichu, SP Excitement, number to 999. That goes to me.
We have the rookie, Dave Boland or Booland or whatever, number to 1,999.
And here, just some decoy. A little bit of cardboard. Cardboard, you know.
Crosby base. Last 2 packs here. Looks like I got a hit. Goes out to St. Louis. St. Louis. DJ King, number to 1,999. Dual jersey.
And I got Boris Salming, SP Excitement, number to 999. That's the second Boris Salming received.
So that goes up to Sean. And that was box 4. Thanks.